Bitcoin is right now breaking out, and on top of that, this breakout is also about to be confirmed, because definitely we did retest this breakout and we could also see a lot of volume going through. So are we potentially about to see a valid breakout towards the upside? Because at the other side, yes, the funding rates are still very high. We are still creating these bearish divergences and running in towards resistance. So we need to talk about this exactly. And without any further ado, let's have a look in towards the imminent short term. And before going in towards that, yes, I am still pretty sick. You can probably still hear it in my voice, but it is already getting a lot better. So probably by tomorrow, I will be fully back. But as of for today, we do have a very important update video prepared. Because the question of today pretty much is going to be, are we seeing a fake out or are we seeing a real breakout happening? Are we about to see a significant rejection or are we going to be seeing history repeating? Well, I can already tell you, I am personally already starting to scale in towards a long position at this current moment, but I will be sharing my exact game plan with you guys. And first things first, yes, we are finally seeing this breakout happening outside of this symmetrical triangle where we have been having a look in towards. Now, yesterday as well on my Twitter profile, I have been saying this is going to be the level we want to be closing above. And we did not yet do that, but what we definitely did do is close above this symmetrical triangle. We are retesting it right now with some candlesticks, confirming this as support, and we could definitely also see an increase in volume coming in right here. So these are all confirmations I want to be seeing whenever I am trading a breakout pattern. And on top of that, the last confirmation I want to be seeing is us breaking back above this previous high, because that would mean this would be a valid breakout pattern. So a break above this resistance level or above this one is going to be another confirmation for me. And that is why I've already started to scale just slightly, a little bit, in towards my long position, but still I'm waiting for this extra confirmation until I really want to be scaling in towards my long position. Because what is quite concerning me still is that the funding rates are very high. Majority of the market is right now as well actually trying to long the Bitcoin market, which of course is a pretty bearish sign. And on top of that, we are also creating this bearish divergence at the current moment. So we are seeing a momentum loss, and this is definitely pretty concerning in my opinion. And at the same time, we are also hitting very significant weekly resistance. So yeah, we are pretty much in a make it or break it moment whenever we do decide to create this valid breakout towards the upside. We could potentially break above this weekly resistance. We could invalidate our bearish signals that we are getting, and potentially history is about to repeat right here. Do keep in mind that whenever we are going to be breaking above this weekly resistance, well then definitely we are going to be seeing some huge fireworks. And our next resistance level is going to be coming in at about the 40k level. So that is why this moment is going to be so crucial. That is why this moment is going to be so important. A break back below this white line would mean an invalidation of this bullish breakouts towards the upside. But a break above this red resistance would mean another confirmation of all of these bullish breakouts. But because the larger trend is of course towards the upside, it will, in my opinion, be more likely that we will be getting eventually this big Bitcoin breakout towards the upside. Now, of course, some altcoins have been performing exceptionally well, and we could be seeing the Bitcoin dominance decreasing quite a bit. And right now, a lot of people are once again talking about altcoin season. And yes, potentially altcoin season might be starting anytime soon. But looking at the previous cycles, well, Bitcoin has always been the superior asset you want to be holding. Bitcoin always has been outperforming all of these altcoins during this bear market recovery, and that is also what I think Bitcoin will be doing this cycle. Yes, of course, the Bitcoin dominance will not go up in a straight line. Yes, here and there are some gains to be made on some altcoins, but in my opinion, the larger trend is towards the upside right now, and we will eventually hit our green resistance target. But what I am actually having a look in towards is once again shorting some altcoins, just like I have been doing over the past couple of months. I am right now having a look in towards this coin right here. I am right now having a look in towards this coin right here, and it is forming a symmetrical triangle. At the same time, we are hitting major resistance, so make sure to be up to date about that one in my free Telegram channel. I will be giving you guys updates about that one. Just like my current Bitcoin trade, if I'm going to be getting stopped out or if it is going to be getting into a profit, well, I will also be sharing updates about that one. And with that being said, don't get fooled right here. Make sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.